Welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how to combine names in Excel. Now let's say you have two lists with names like this and you want them to look like so. Do following steps, I'll teach you. Okay, what you have to do is you have to go to the cell at the top next to the first name. You have to press it, then you have to press on functions, then you have to click all, then up here you have to type CONTA and then concatenate and then press OK. As you can see here, we get text boxes. And don't worry if you need to use more than one, because as we start to fill them out, more are gonna appear down here. So we want Luna and Smith combined. So we're just gonna press Luna. Then down here, you have to leave it blank. Or you have to leave a space, as you can see like so. It's gonna do this, otherwise the text are gonna be stuck together, so it's one word and not two names. Then here text 3, simply press Smith, and then OK. As you can see now, Luna Smith. And then you simply drag it all the way down. And as you can see now, it's perfect for every single one of them. Let's say if it was 3 names, I will just move this over here. And let's just take this one again. And let's just give her, wait a second. Let's give her last name, just say Barbie last name for some reason. And you want to add another name, you go down here, another space, and then at the bottom, press Barbie and OK. And as you can see here, if it was 3 names, now there are 3 names here. And it's really that simple. That is how you merge names in Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.